Okay, so yes, this video is not about this game, alright? Don't worry, I'm not about to do this. We are going to play a game that I never thought I'd play again on this channel. Alright, I have to play it. I'm gonna play. If my phone could load, that'd be nice. That'd really be nice if my phone just wanted to load, but what in the world is happening? Okay, it's loading. Please have the home page. Okay, so the game I'm gonna play is load, please. Okay. Okay, so I'm just. Yep, you guessed it. You guessed it. I'm gonna load to the game real quick. Alright, so really quickly, yeah, it doesn't seem like I'm loading, but while we wait for the game to load, I'm gonna put in the codes. Okay. There's a gosh. Okay, here's the codes. Here are the codes. Oh my gosh. Let's go. How is it invalid? Give me a second. How is this invalid? Oh my god! Alright, it should be relatively easy. Even though it literally took 2 minutes just for it to fucking start. This is annoying. Okay, let's start boxing. Now, are we gonna put it into melee or what are we doing here? I'm actually gonna see if I can just speed run the game without putting any stats in for like the first 100 levels. And if I can't, well that sucks for me, doesn't it? And we'll probably have a fruit by then, so yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try to solve the first 100 levels. We're gonna have a challenge every 100 levels, so hopefully this won't be too difficult. But I have a very good idea why it's gonna be difficult, because of the Gorilla King. He will be the probably the difficulty of difficult such I'm really trying to hurry this up. I'm trying to commentate, but I really cannot. But I'm trying to kill these bandits. I could put someone to strength. As I said, I'm not going to put any stats in, so therefore I'm just going to keep it as meaning I'm going to have to stick with sword or melee or whatever weapon I decide to do. Now, firstly, there's not really a lot of weapons to choose from, but eventually this series will get into second seed, and hopefully hopefully it makes it, if I don't forget. Oh my god, why is the other stuff not consistent now? Why is it not, what is it, every day? Because, oh my god. It wasn't the weekend, but now it's the weekend. I'm probably gonna make some makeup videos. Yes, they're actually gonna have thumbnails. Isn't that surprising? Yeah, I'm actually gonna start putting work into my videos. So yeah. Let's go see if anybody just drops some fruits. Cause yeah, very nice. Usually people would just spin at jungle and then drop the fruits, but we're gonna take any fruit we can get. Any decent fruit we can get. Is, you see, we have a lot of saplings to put in, but we cannot, sadly, use the saplings. 27 saplings. Should I just put it into gun? And then, after the 100 levels, I just have a bunch in the gun? That'd be cool. Can you please hurry up and get over here? It's kind of good on my nerves. It's taking me 2 minutes to get over here. And now I'm lagging. And now I'm lagging. I was supposed to do this with a This was supposed to be a collab video, but of course it wasn't. You wanna know why? Because the person I was collabing with wanted to do a pet simulator video. So now I'm stuck doing this alone. You can thank that for why this video isn't as entertaining as I thought it would be. But it's still definitely not gonna be as good as that for cause of me. I checked it and it has it's literally my highest viewed video in under a flipping week. That is a lot of people. Not a lot of people. Can anyone spin for? I'm just gonna ask that and then leave, because I know nobody. If nobody says it in like the first 30 seconds, most likely nobody's gonna spin for me. Oh, I already clicked on this question. What's wrong, bud? Come here. Alright. Punch him in the face. Now, these monkeys are probably gonna be difficult, because even when I did have stats into them, they were still melting my HP. Oh my gosh, this is dang impossible. Quick tackle. M1. Come on, M1s, kill him, M1s! How am I supposed to do? Ooh, a treasure chest. I know somewhere where I can have a good idea. Why don't I go over here and grind money? Like, just sit there, have an auto clicker on and grind money. And then I can spin for a fruit myself. That's a smart idea. Okay. So this town, is this orange town or is this? Is Arlong? Please tell me Arlong. I've been trying to get this fucking sword. Even on my main account, I don't have this fucking sword. And my main account's almost at 2nd C. Where is the other thing? Oh, bow dealer, nice. We are not spending any cash. Especially not on it, but... Alright, so... This is the island we're looking for over here. Yo, ready? Because I'm ready to farm some money. And finally, now, how am I supposed to deal with the first 100 levels without a fruit or sword? Oh my god, that looks cursed. Like, imagine clicking on a video and this is what you see. What's up, everyone? It look. Oh my gosh. Are you an airhead? He ate 200. Let's see. Where is my skirt? It's over here. Ooh, no, we are not attacking that guy. So somebody's okay. I need to turn. So I'm gonna record the first parts of me getting this money, but no, budget. Alright, so now, all you gotta do, yes, this is a waste of an EXP boost, but I have a lot more, so I'm gonna be back as soon as I done gun this money, so probably 22k, so I can get a fruit. So yeah. Peace. Yeah, we're gonna get our first fruit. Yeah, I'm gonna get my first fruit. Yeah, and I'm gonna get it at the jungle. If I get something lame, I'm gonna treat you with flame. I'm gonna stop now. We're going to the jungle. We're going to the jungle. We're gonna get a fruit. We're gonna get a fruit. We're going to the jungle. We're going to the jungle. I'm gonna get a fruit. I'm gonna get a fruit. We're going to the jungle. We're going to the jungle. I'm gonna get a. You got honey. You monkey over here. I'm gonna kill you. Oh. Let me get a fruit first. It's not fair unless I get a fruit. Let's see. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hit somebody. I'm gonna hit somebody. Should I go garden for like this weapon? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. That'd be lame. Alright, so with the help of server hopping, we were able to finally get enough money to buy a fruit. A random fruit. Now, what I would like is magma. I will literally not switch magma. If I were to get magma, I'm keeping it. Unless I get something like soul. Or Buddha, because Buddha is better than Dragon. But I'm probably gonna keep magma because I have Buddha on my main account, so I wouldn't want Buddha, so. What are some fruits that are longer than that? Soul, that's probably the only one. Maybe dough. Probably good, but let's see what we can get. It doesn't matter what we get. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna just press alright, and then I'm gonna press random fruit, and then I'm gonna go chew, and then okay, good. I don't know what fruit this is, so. Oh no! I ate falcon! What is this? Oh my gosh! No, it's I. It is I. Let's not use the EXP boost because in the early stages, I don't even get a damage boost, bro. What am I supposed to do? And why is it in my third slot and not my second slot? Okay, what is a wind burst? Oh my gosh, that move is actually decent! It's actually decent! Okay. We might be able to do this. Wind burst! That is a very good knockdown. Yep, I'm on, yep. Oh, you getting me low? Wind burst. Oh, yo, I thought I had a big hitbox, not a small one. Oh, no, chill with that. Blue cell is going to be very helpful because it'll help me. Oh my gosh, the monkey spawned back. Let's go, get that guy. Let's see where we put. I can't put anything into here! This is going to be so stressful, bro. And I have a decent amount of moves. This fruit has a flight as well. I just gotta kill my opponent with the wind thing, and I'll get mastery. But it's so difficult. Ah! The move's decent, but no, leave me alone. This is not. This is not how I thought it would go. I'm already dead to this monkey, bro. Oh my gosh. I thought I could get magma or something, but no. It has to be falcon. I'm gonna get my revenge next time, bro. Where did the monkey go? Ready to die, pleb? Oh, I actually And to end this video off, let's kill one more monkey. Oh my god. This is horrible. I can't do off-camera grinding either.